Hey girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shrishti. So today's video would be on everything routine that would be consisting my current skincare, my hairstyling and also the makeup that I usually prefer to do. So I would be using my go-to products that are my must-have. Some of the products are really affordable. So using those products, I would be doing this makeup and you can already see how glowy and barbied makeup it's looking. So I'll be doing step by step makeup routine in this video and I really hope that you guys would really love it. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. First, I have sensitive combination skin, so my skincare is targeted onto that. I have already washed my face, so starting off with this essence from Beauty of Joseon. So this is a Korean skincare and of course it does wonders. For the serum, I'm using Cosrx Booster Serum and it is a peptide serum that enhances my skin with good hydration. Now we are moving to Innisfree anti-blemish lotion and this is the most lightweight lotion an oily skin girly can have. The thing it is lightweight as well as it is a treatment, so all in one. It's really good. After that, we are moving on to the sunscreen. It's from Beauty of Joseon, and of course, it's the most viral product all over the internet. Still trending, and it is all worth the hype. It leaves my skin glowy as well as it works very well inside the makeup. Lastly, I'm using a Indie lip treatment to just hydrate my lips. When I'm done with my skincare, I just leave it for 10 minutes proper. Now that we are moving on to hairstyling, I'm using this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil and it is a serum that is also a heat protectant. So it has really, controlled the health of my hair and I'm using Alan Truman Blow Brush. It's a gem product and of course I can never ever skip blow drying. It gives salon styled blow dried hair and of course gives volume to my hair. I love how bouncy my hair is after using this product and of course it really changes the whole face when you have this volume in your hair. So yeah, after that we are moving on to makeup and we are using the K Beauty primer to have that makeup on the place and to have that glowy base. After that, we are using this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and of course, this is my go to concealer. It is a full coverage concealer. After that, we are moving on to L'Oreal Infallible Foundation that I'm mixing with a moisturizer and then I'm applying with a foundation brush, and you can already see mixing the foundation with some moisturizer literally gives that glow. This way my makeup doesn't feel cakey and it's my skin, I can breathe. So after that I am using a Huda Beauty eyeshadow and I'm choosing a pink shade because I'm going for a pink warm makeup. So I'm using pink shade and then over it I'm using a pink glitter. I'm also using some highlighter in eye corners. I'm giving a wing from Maybelline eyeliner and then I'm moving on to mascara that is from L'Oreal and I'm also using it over my brows to laminate. After that I'm curling my lashes and moving on to Insight loose powder to just set up my base properly, and after that I'm using a sugar niacinamide glow brush. It really gives that radiant glow. You can see how my skin is glowing from inside. Now for the lips I'm using Mars Cosmetic Lip Mist. It's the most beautiful shade from this range, and after that I'm lining with Mars Cosmetic lip liner. I line my cupid bow and of course my lower lips, and to give a finish I'm using a Love Earth lip gloss. It's a transparent lip gloss and of course this finishes my makeup look and that's it. This is the glowy dewy makeup. Yeah, that's it for the makeup look, and yeah, we are done with this video and probably I've already covered the skincare, hairstyling and the makeup. So I hope you guys would have really enjoyed this video. All the products that I have used are mentioned in description box below, so do let me know your thoughts in comment section below. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.